What's up guys, GPStuntMan back again. Quick video here, Asus Gladius 2 gaming mouse. I've had this for less than a week. I just got a new one, and my middle mouse wheel is starting to make noise. So this is what it sounds like normally if I go up, but if I go down, but yeah, less than 5 days old, and it started making this screeching noise. Sounds like plastic rubbing on plastic. And to show you, I have my old one here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments if you guys are having the same issue with the same mouse. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.